Dear students, in this video we will learn perimeter of regular polygons, its explanation and some examples. What is a regular polygon? Observe the two pictures carefully and try to find out the similarities between the two figures. Yes, you got it right. In both images, we have three similarities. First, they both are closed figures. Second, all the sides in the figures are equal in length. Third, all the angles in each of the figures are also equal. Hence, a closed figure in which all sides and angles are equal is known as regular polygon. Now, identify which of the given shapes is a regular polygon. Yes, that is correct. These are regular polygons. Now, let's understand perimeter of a regular polygon. The perimeter of a regular shape is basically the total length of the outer boundary of the regular shape. Consider this example. Sheena wants to decorate a triangular shaped wall hanging by covering all its sides with a ribbon. You have to find the length of the ribbon she requires. To know the length, she simply measures all the sides and adds it up. So, side AB is equals to 4 cm, BC is equals to 4 cm, and CA is equals to 4 cm. So, perimeter is equal to side AB plus side BC plus side CA, which is equal to 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters, which is equal to 12 centimeters. Therefore, the required length of the ribbon is 12 centimeters. However, finding perimeter using the formula is much easier. Let us now learn the formula for perimeter of some regular figures. In order to find the perimeter of a regular shape, we simply multiply the number of sides by the length of one side. For triangle, number of sides is equal to 3. Perimeter is equal to 3 multiplied by length of one side. For square, number of sides is equal to 4. Perimeter is equal to 4 multiplied by length of one side. For pentagon, number of sides is equal to 5. Perimeter is equal to 5 multiplied by length of one side. For hexagon, number of sides is equals to 6. Perimeter is equal to 6 multiplied by length of one side. Now, let us learn how to apply the formula. Find the perimeter of a regular pentagon with each side measuring 6 centimeters. This regular closed figure has 5 sides since it is a pentagon with each side measuring 6 centimeters. So, perimeter of a pentagon is equal to 5 multiply by length of one side, which is equal to 5 multiply by 6 centimeters, which is equal to 30 centimeters. Now, find the perimeter of a regular hexagon with each side measuring 2 centimeters. This regular closed figure has 6 sides since it is a hexagon with each side measuring 2 centimeters. So, perimeter of hexagon is equal to 6 multiply by length of one side, which is equal to 6 multiply by 2, which is equal to 12 centimeters. Now, we have to find the length of the side of the figure. The perimeter of a square is 120 centimeters. We have to find how long is its one side. Let's find the answer. Perimeter is 120 centimeter. Number of sides, which is equal to 4. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by length of one side. Here, perimeter is already given, which is equal to 120. We will put the value into the formula. So 120 is equal to 4 multiplied by length of one side. So length of one side is equal to 120 divided by 4, which is equal to 30 centimeters. Let's find the side of pentagon. Perimeter of a regular pentagon is 30 centimeters and we have to find the length of one of its sides. Let's find the answer. Perimeter is 30 centimeters and number of sides of pentagon is equal to 5. Perimeter of a regular pentagon is equal to 5 multiplied by length of one side. Perimeter is already given, which is equal to 30. So 30 is equal to 5 multiplied by length of one side. Therefore, length of one side is equals to 30 divided by 5, which is equal to 6 centimeters. Now, find the distance covered by Prerna if she takes 2 rounds of a triangular park of side 50 meters each. So, Prerna takes 2 rounds of a triangular park and we have to find the distance covered by her. Find the distance covered by Prerna in one round first. So, length of one side is equal to 50 meters. Number of sides is equal to 3. As you can see, 1, 2 and 3. Distance covered in one round is equal to perimeter of the triangle, which is equal to 3 multiplied by 50 meters, which is equal to 150 meters. Now, we know that she takes 2 rounds of that triangular park. Therefore, we will multiply the perimeter by 2. Therefore, distance covered in 2 rounds is equal to 2 multiplied by 150 meters, which is equal to 300 meters. Now, let's solve more questions. Prerna runs around a square field of side 90 meters each. And Sheena runs around a pentagon field of side 60 meters each. Find who covers more distance and by how much. Let's find the answers together. The distance covered by Prerna is equal to perimeter of the square, which is equal to 4 multiplied by length of one side, which is equal to 4 multiplied by 90 meters, which is equal to 360 meters. And the distance covered by Sheena is equal to perimeter of the pentagon, which is equal to 5 multiplied by length of one side, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 60 meters, which is equal to 300 meters. Now, we have to find the difference in the distances covered. So, 360 meters minus 300 meters is equal to 60 meters. Therefore, Prerna covered more distance by 60 meters. Now, let's find the cost of fencing. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side 150 meters each at a rate of rupees 30 per meter. Let's find the answer. Length of one side is equal to 150 meters. Number of sides of a square is equal to 4. Perimeter of the square park is equal to 4 multiplied by length of one side, which is equal to 4 multiplied by 150 meters, which is equal to 600 meters. So 600 meters is our perimeter. Now it is given that the rate of fencing is equal to rupees 30 per meter. So cost of fencing 600 meter of the square park is equal to 600 multiplied by 30, which is equal to 18,000 rupees. Now, at the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand regular polygons, understand the perimeter of regular polygon, know the formula for perimeter of regular polygons, Apply the formula for perimeter of regular polygons. Find the side when the perimeter is given. Find the distance covered around a regular polygon. And find the cost of fencing a regular polygon. Thank you.